Multi-access quick action, full rear opening, side and top access and separate opening to individual, spacious lower compartment. Ultimate versatility 100% gear to 100% personal and anywhere in between. Adapts to perfectly fit photo gear, video gear, drones and gimbals. Larger drones attach externally, laptop and tripod. Well organized, numerous dedicated pockets, organizers and connectors for all essentials and stay hydrated, large water bottle side pockets. Business oriented, holds a 15 laptop and or tablet and stay steady, optimal balance tripod carrying system. Includes total coverage rain cover, sturdy divider kit and multi-connection straps, clutter-free, stowable connector straps. Top reviews from the United States. After a great deal of research, with comparing internal dimensions, configuration abilities, pocket quantities, gear access, I came across the Alta series of packs from Vanguard. I attempted to order the 51D but it wasn't available. I was hesitant, but pulled the trigger and ordered the 45D. I was surprised to see how much I could pack, as seen in the image. I pulled out my Sony a6500, simply because 3 cameras were too many to handle. It stood up well to rain and moisture and kept everything dry and sand-free on beach excursions, and was comfortable enough to wear for long periods of time. I would definitely recommend this pack to any photographer or gearhead.